Struggling to make eye-catching collages on Pinterest? I will show you exactly how to use shuffles to create stunning designs in minutes. First, open Pinterest and find the Create button. Then, follow these simple steps to build your collage from scratch. So, let us start. Open up the Pinterest app on your phone. You want to make sure you are logged into your account. Once the main feed loads up, look for the big plus sign at the bottom center of your screen. That is your Create button. Tap on it. Now, a menu pops up with a few different options. You are going to select the one that says Collage. This launches the Shuffles editor, which is basically a blank canvas waiting for your ideas. And here is the really important part. This is where the magic happens. So take a second to look around the interface. Over on the right side of the screen, you will see a search bar. Tap on that. This is your image library inside Pinterest. Search for anything related to your theme. Let us say you are making a mood board for a cozy bedroom. Try typing something like cozy bedroom aesthetic or boho decor. Be specific with your keywords because that helps you find exactly the right style. When you see an image you like, just tap on it. Pinterest will automatically pull that photo into your canvas and it turns it into a cutout. That means the background gets removed instantly, leaving you with just the main subject. It is pretty slick. Now, drag that cutout to wherever you want it on the canvas. Just hold your finger on it and slide it around. You will notice these little white squares appear on the corners of the image. Those are your handles. Drag one of them to resize the cutout. Make it bigger or smaller depending on what the layout needs. Keep adding more cutouts to build out your design. Tap the search bar again, find another image, and tap to add it. Repeat that process until you have a nice collection of elements on your canvas. You can layer them, overlap them, or spread them out. It is totally up to you. Now, let us add some text. Look for the icon that looks like a capital A. Tap that. A text box will appear on your canvas. You can type whatever you want, maybe a title for your collage or a short quote. You can also change the font, the size, and the color right here in the editor. Once you have your text in place, start moving everything around to arrange your layout. Push things closer together or spread them apart. Play with the sizes until the whole composition feels balanced. This is where you really make the collage your own. Take a moment to review your work. Step back and look at the full layout. Does it feel complete? Is anything blocking something important? Adjust as needed until you are happy with how it looks. When you are ready, tap the Next button in the top right corner. This takes you to the publishing screen. Here, you will fill in the details. Write a catchy title for your collage, add a description if you want, and pick a board to save it to. You can also choose who can see it, public or private. Finally, tap the Publish button. Your collage is now live on Pinterest for the world to see, or just for you if you kept it private. And that is it. You just went from having no idea where to start to confidently creating and sharing a professional-looking collage using images, cutouts, and text. Give it a try with your own photos next time. Have fun with it.